Well, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you kind of a cheat on how to make your Instagram photos. Also, if you have an Etsy shop, this might be really helpful without any glare or no darkness in the street. This is the photo that I took. I love this so much. I have a beautiful background, the sky, everything. But my iPad is really dark and you cannot see anything on the screen. It happens all the time, especially if you're outside on the sun. You won't be able to take a photo. It doesn't matter what you do, you just won't be able to make this work. You will have this problem. And someone on Instagram the other day asked me how I make it so my photos didn't have any glare or anything weird, and you could actually see my bullet journal spreads and whatnot. So this is the result. This is how awful it looks when you take a picture, and this is how I'm gonna show you how to create these. So number one thing, take your photo however you want, and then the idea of this is to take a screenshot. So this is a screenshot of the iPad. So whenever is it that you're taking this photograph, just really quickly, click, take your screenshot so you have your original photo and your screenshots, everything that you need. So I'm going to be using Procreate for this, but you can obviously use any program that you want that will allow you to do this. So let's say that I want to do that. I'm going to import that photo. So I'm going to open that here on Procreate. Again, you can use any other software that would allow you to do these kinds of things that I will explain to you in a second. So you want to do that, and then you want to click and add the photo that you took of your iPad, the screenshot. There it is. That's the screenshot that I took. So you just want to put it on top of the screen. Now obviously you are not always going to be taking right on top, so it won't be perfect, which is why I like to use Procreate, because I can use distort right here and move these however I want to be able to put these really in the screen. So you can take your time, you can really zoom in and make sure that that is right there, and now you can just leave it like that. But sometimes it will look really fake. This doesn't look that bad, but sometimes it will look really fake. So what I will suggest you to do is turn the opacity of that down however much you need to. So this is without that, this is 100%, but if you have a lot of shadows or a glare that is clearly on your iPad, if you put these just like 100% opacity, it will look really fake. So you want to turn these down to make sure that the ambience of the whole photo, and then if you have shadows going into your iPad or a big light ring in there or something like that, when you turn down that opacity, it will make it still be there without completely disrupting your image and your colors, because a lot of the time what you want to show is all of the colors and the composition of your spread. So that is really easy. If you have something on top of your photo like your pencil or whatever, what you want to do, let's say that in my original photo I had a pencil right here, or you can have a hand or whatever. You don't want to disrupt that, so what you will do is go into your screenshot, take your eraser. I like to use a round brush, but you can also use the monoline. I think that will work really well, and just erase, that's too big, and just erase that part so that whatever is on top of your iPad would show through that. So you would just want to like zoom in, make sure that you're doing it in the right place and all of that. So that is really easy, really fast ways that you can just create these. And the other thing that I love about this is that if you go back to your original photo and you try to change hue, saturation, brightness, or whatever, like putting a filter on it, you totally can. You can change that, and you're gonna be changing the background and all of that without changing the colors of your actual spread. So if you're selling and you want to put a nice photo of your product, you can use this and it will make it the actual photo of what it is that you're trying to show. So that is a really easy, fun little tip that I use a lot in my photos, because sometimes you want to show your spread but you also have a nice background, your little kitten is in the background looking cute, and you definitely want to take a picture of that as well. So hopefully this is something that will help you guys out in taking your photos. If you have any questions, please leave them down below. I would love to help you out as much as I can, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.